Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. At the range now we've got the Baby Desert Eagle 3 made by Magnum Research. This is an all steel frame gun, does have a pick titty rail on there, 3.85 inch barrel. Magnum Research calls it a semi-compact gun. So it's fitting right between the compact and full size. I do have the full size 9mm with an all steel frame. I love it. I think that single action trigger pull is pretty outstanding, and then of course the double action, not bad either. It does have a slide mounted safety decocker, and so in single action you just push that down and then it renders the trigger useless. But a nice shooting gun. I love the Baby Desert Eagle 3s. Like I said, I have the 9mm, shoots outstanding. Happy to have the 45. This is a little bit smaller with the 3.85 inch barrel. It does come with two 10-round magazines. Here we are, 10 yards away. Let's see how it goes. It's got a nice feel to it. All right. This is a smooth shooting gun. It has a full-size grip, and the trigger once again is pretty outstanding. That single action trigger pull is very nice. 3-dot sights, all metal, and there's a look at the business end. The thing I like about the Baby Desert Eagle 3 models is that it, you know, if you look at the form of the slide, it mimics a full-size Desert Eagle. And I've shared many times what a fan I am of, or with the full-size Desert Eagles. This right here is a real nice shooter. Let's load it up and fire it some more. Here we go again with the Baby Desert Eagle 3. I've got 10 rounds in the mag, 1 round loaded up, all set for double action. You may have noticed that the slide did not lock back the first time. This is a brand new gun. Those were my first shots, so we'll see what happens this time. I will mention that the brass is ejecting about 12 to 15 feet away. Like I can see a pile way over there. But let's see how it goes. Let's start out with the tombstone double action. All right. All right, lock back that time. That's not too uncommon for new guns. If you get a new gun and the slide doesn't lock back the first couple mags, don't worry about it, stick with it. Let's go with that 7-inch target on the far left. So there it is, guys. Baby Desert Eagle 3 made by Magnum Research. It's a nice shooting gun. This is my first range session with this, and it performed excellent. The slide locked back every time except for the very first mag. After that, it's been fine. I put 200 rounds through the gun and not one issue at all. It just was very accurate, very well performing, and I really did enjoy it at the range. I look forward to many more range sessions with the Baby Desert Eagle 3. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.